Go.
This looks like a normal truck, but inside, look, there's a projector. They can project sharks and the Dr. and Fauna. Let me show you. You can even pull the missiles out to explode this plane. Let me show you more things. If you want to escape Dr. Inferno,
Escape from where?
Escape from this jail cell, you need to knock out the door so you can see Dr. Inferno. You can put it back against the knob. You can actually pull the back out. Hold the back, see it broke. But to reveal this little wild jet ski. And you have made noticed before that there is a cow on here. Now that's not very normal. Cows are normal, but cows on a truck is not very normal. But the crane can lower it down. Even though there's a ladder, there's a crane. And you know, you can find more vehicles. You know where?
Where?
Underneath. A boat. A small jet boat. And a big car. That was just a missed piece that fell off. Put the car, you can talk, the car can go underneath. And it can open up on both sides. You can even, when wondering what this is a plane. You can, these tabs go in these slots that make it slide in very smoothly. When the wings are open, you need to close them. Then you need to, when this is up, you need to put it down and then just slide it and then fold it back.
Did he come with this too?
And this guy is the Cyclops to wake Dr. Inferno free of this.
And what does Cyclops have? Does he work with this thing? Is this his plane?
No. This is the Cyclops plane. This is the agent's plane. The agents are trying to stop Dr. Inferno.
Okay, we're running out of time. What do you want to say about all this? Is this a great toy?
Yeah, it's a great toy. You can actually, you can even lift the top off.
And how long did it take to build?
3 days.
Wow. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.